Alright everybody, this video is going to show you how to make a simple assessment within Illuminate. Once you are logged in, just like always, you're going to start with assessments, and instead of listing assessments, you're going to create a new assessment. 3 choices: on the fly, manual setup, or item bank. You're going to do manual setup. Go ahead and type in how many questions you have. Hit OK, and this will take you to your home screen. At this point, you're going to want to fill in all the information that you think is important. Of course, you need to give it a name, and anything else is up to you. If you want to fill these parts out, you can. Not important, but it might be a good idea. When you're finished, go ahead and save at the bottom, and it'll take you to the Setup tab, and it's going to default to the Finding the Standards, but you're not going to do that at this point. You're going to go straight to Questions. And this is where you're going to put your answer key in. You can see here are your 10 questions, and I am simply going to put the correct answers in here until I'm finished. Okay, you can see I put all 10 answers in, and they have the same point value, and I do not have any standards linked to them, which is fine for right now. And if you notice, number 9 and 10, I have answers of true and false. I'll show you how to change that on your answer key in just a minute. Everything else you're going to do is within the Setup tab. So once again, click on the Setup. If you wanted to assign standards, you could. If you want to do any groups, you could. Anything else you wanted to, it's all right here. Sheet Designer is where you can actually go ahead and change your Scantron. So you'll notice it's always going to default to responses A, B, C, D, and E. And since I made question 9 and 10 true and false, I'm going to go ahead and change that right now. True, false, and everything else is gone. This one will be true, false, and these go away. And just like always, you want to apply or save your work when you are finished. Okay, your next step is to go ahead and upload your documents. Just like anything else, just go to Materials and Upload. You're going to click in the box, and you would find your document just like you would anywhere else. I like to save things on my desktop and find what you're looking for. It's Chapter 1 Test. I'm going to double click on that. There it is. Hit Attach, and there it is right there. Okay, so my document is attached. Your final step for right now is to go ahead and share the document with whoever you would like to share it with. On this page, you're going to have a lot of different options to choose from. Okay, you can click on the Share With box. You can do Cite and Role, Cite and Grade Level, Cite and Department, Cite and Course. The easiest thing to do is to just go ahead and share it with the user. You can do that and literally just start typing in somebody's name. Once you find what you want, go ahead and click on it, and you can continue to add names. Click on it, and you can see there I've got myself and Jessica's name on there that I'm going to share it with. Then you want to give them the options. Do you want them to only look at it and download it? Do you want them to be able to administer it and edit as well? Yes, you want to check both of those, and go ahead and hit share. And now you'll see up here both of these have access to share and what their access rights are. At this point, you're all finished. What you could also do, though, just like any other assessment, you can just take a quick look. Administration, when you're ready to print your answer documents, that's where it will be. If you wanted to scan or enter, import, if you wanted students to take it online, you could as well. Your Reports tab, your Overview tab, just like anything else. Okay? When you want to look at it, all you need to do is go back to your dashboard. It takes you all the way back to your home screen. And this time, if you went to Assessments and List Assessment, you should see your newly created test right there, Chapter 1 Test, and it's going to show all the details, and nobody has taken the test yet. And there you go, you're all set.